Arizona LLCs are among the lower-cost entities to maintain, but the publication requirement and annual fees add up to a picture worth understanding clearly. Formation costs. Articles of organization filing runs $50 standard or $85 expedited. Publication costs $30 to $200, depending on county and newspaper. The affidavit of publication is included in that cost, free to file with the ACC. Your typical total initial cost lands between $80 and $350. For annual maintenance, Arizona requires an annual report, currently a $0 filing fee for LLCs, though that may carry fees in the future. You'll also need to maintain your statutory agent and keep your operating agreement current. On tax obligations, Arizona has a corporate income tax and a transaction privilege tax, which is Arizona's version of sales tax. LLCs taxed as pass-through entities don't pay corporate income tax at the entity level. Instead, members pay personal income tax on their share of the income. If the LLC sells taxable goods or services, TPT registration and filing apply. And if you have employees, you'll also handle Arizona income tax withholding, unemployment insurance, and workers' compensation. So how does Arizona compare to other states? Its formation and maintenance costs are lower than California and New York, and roughly comparable to Wyoming and Nevada. The publication requirement is unique, but manageable, and Arizona has no franchise tax equivalent to California's $800 minimum, a significant difference for businesses weighing where to form. For businesses primarily operating in Arizona, forming there is generally the practical, cost-effective choice. Subscribe for more on comparing state business formation costs and requirements.